everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just got back from walking with the dogs and I wanted to talk to you guys about walking. I spend a lot of time talking to clients about the benefits of walking and how to add it into their lives. I find these tips are good for them, so they're probably good for you. So stay with me. I'll try to make this as fun and concise as possible. Here we go. My top tip for walking is try to walk for longer than 30 minutes. I mean, any activity is really good for you, but if you can walk for longer than 30 minutes, you're more in a zone that's called the fat burning zone. So your body at a certain point will have burned through other sources of fuel and you will be burning mostly fat after a certain period of time. So it's a little different for everybody, but basically the longer you walk, the more chances of you burning fat for fuel. Tip number 2 is that you want to pick a route that is kind of stimulating for you. For me, this works. I just tend to find different routes in my neighborhood or different neighborhoods I enjoy the scenery. I pick a destination and I walk towards it. I try to get errands done along the way. So pick a route that in some way is stimulating for you. Tip number 3 is download a podcast. I get so much listening done on my walks and I feel smarter afterwards. I feel more inspired. I get out of my head, which is sometimes really good for me. As an alternate to that, I usually try to do a few walks a week that I don't listen to anything just so I can be with my thoughts. But I find when I'm trying to go for longer walks, a podcast usually will keep me inspired. Last but not least, grab a buddy, find a time that works for both of you and use it as your time to catch up. This is probably the best way to stay on top of it, to stay accountable to your walking habit, and it is a great way to catch up with a friend. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you next time, and I hope these tips were helpful for you. Have a good day.